हाय स्टूडेंट्स, तुम लोगों ने फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व की होगी, तो हम लोग हमारे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की ओर जाते हैं। अवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज हाउ टू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ्स of a linear equation. That means you want to solve the linear equation with the help of the graphs. Okay, so we learned that in 9th standard how to draw the graph of the linear equation, but we draw there only the graph of the single equation. So we just revise it before going to our topic. Okay, so suppose there is a one equation is given to you, 2x minus y is equals to 4. Okay, so for drawing the graph we want to find the 3 or 4 solution of that equation. So here we want to prepare one table. So in that table we are writing x, y, and in third we are writing x comma y. So one by one you want to take the values of x or y. So in first we are taking the value of x. If we put the value of x in our equation, so 2 into x, that means 2 into 0, 0. So minus y is equals to 4. That means y is equals to 4. So your first coordinate is 0 comma minus 4. Then similarly you can put the values of x and then find the values of y. So you completed your table now. Okay, after that we want to draw the graph of that equation. So before that we want to draw the axes, both axes, the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so the vertical line is y-axis, okay, and horizontal line is x-axis. So we know that in which quadrant positive signs are there. In first quadrant both positive signs are there. In second quadrant negative positive are there. In third quadrant negative are there, and in fourth quadrant positive negative are there. Okay, so we are writing all the numbers on the both axes. That means 1 2 3 4, and negative numbers are also minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so we want to plot our points. So our first point is 0 comma minus 4. So for plotting that, where is the 0 on the x-axis? Here it is. So our point is there, 0 comma minus 4. Okay, then our second point is 2 comma 0, 2 comma 0. So this is our second point. Okay, then our third coordinate is 3 comma 2. So 3 comma 2 is here. Then next one is minus 1 comma minus 6. So minus 1 comma minus 6 is here. We plot our all the points. Then you want to draw the line which passes through all the coordinates. Okay, so we are drawing that line. So this is the line of the equation 2x minus y is equals to 4. So we have finished that, but before completing that you have to write down the scale of the axis. It is very important. So we are writing scale on both axes. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Why we are taking 1 unit? Because just here we are taking 1 difference. So that's why we are writing scale is equals to 1 unit. Understand? Okay. Then we see our 10th standard example. How we want to draw here? We want to draw 2 lines at a time. Okay, that means 2 equations lines at a time we want to draw here. So here we see one example. Here we have a 2 simultaneous equation. X plus y is equals to 4 is our first equation, and 2x minus y is equals to 2. This is our second equation. So according to previous method we are completing our tables. So here we have our first table and this is our second table. Okay, then we want to draw the lines on the axes. Okay, so here you observe we are drawing the axes, x-axis and y-axis. Then first we are drawing our x plus y is equals to 4, this equation. So our first coordinate is minus 1 comma 5. So here is our first coordinate minus 1 comma 5. Okay, then next 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0 is here. Okay, Then next one is 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3 is here. Then next 6 comma minus 2. So 6 comma minus 2 we want, so it is here. So we plot all our points, then we want to draw a line from these points. So we connect all the points and draw the standing cross line from that. Okay, so this one. And you write down the equation of the line x plus y is equals to 4 on that line. Okay, so this is our first line. Then we are plotting the points of the second line. So the points, first point of the second line is 0 comma minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2 is here. Okay, then second point is 1 comma 0. So 1 comma 0, where it is? You see that 1 comma 0 is on that side. Okay, then our next coordinate is 3 comma 4. So 3 comma 4 is available here. Okay, then last coordinate is minus 1 comma minus 4. It is here. Then we want to again draw a line passing through all the coordinates. So we are drawing this type of line here. We are writing the equation of that line here. 2x minus y is equals to 2. Okay, so we draw our both the lines. The intersection of these two lines is here. So this is very important. Where is the intersection of these two lines? So we get the coordinates of the intersection of the two lines is 2 comma 2. That means our solution of that simultaneous equations is x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2. Okay, so in this method you want to solve your exercise, but here remember, here you want to write down the scale same on both axes. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Understand? Okay, then you can solve your exercise. I will send you photos of that exercise. Okay, if you are having any query, then you ask me on your school group. Okay, thank you.